hosting an open house. Now, whether in person or virtually, an open house is an opportunity to showcase a property for sale. As real estate professionals, there are lots of business-generating activities that we know we should do, but honestly must admit we just don't. As a takeaway, I hope this course gives you the motivation to commit to and consistently deliver on your real estate activity goals each and every week. Don't be overwhelmed with everything you have to do. Just remember the only way to eat an elephant is one bite at a time. So just break everything you have to do into bite-sized pieces and take one bite, then another, and so on. One day you'll realize that you have eaten the entire elephant. Now, I recommend knocking on doors for at least an hour before the open house, on the street of the open house, to invite the neighbors to the open house. This is a great opportunity for you to introduce yourself, triggering their human curiosity, and showcase your personality and professionalism. Now, when they do come, make sure you ask them for contact information, of course, so you can send them up-to-date market information on the neighborhood and property values, and of course, additional listings of properties in the area that may come up in the market. Now, if you're conducting a virtual open house, drop off personal invitations to the neighbors with information on how to join you for the virtual open house. If possible, make them register so that you can follow up with them after the event. Yes, make it an event. Be captivating. Remember that the value of your effort is only 10% to sell that house, but 90% to sell yourself and your professional service to get the next listing. So put on a show. Yes, you'll be surprised how many requests you'll get for you to go see their house. Now that is a possible listing appointment. Take the time to develop a business plan. Determine the steps necessary to achieve your professional goals. Acknowledge your areas of opportunity and put in place systems and tools to automate some or most of the opportunity gaps in your monthly real estate activity protocol. Now go, develop your business plan.